Hiya, and thanks for taking the time to actually watch this short presentation about the best easy work business opportunity. I'm going to give you a brief explanation of the opportunity, what's involved, and also how you can actually get started for if you wish to do so for free. When I joined as a free member, and basically, there's obviously ways that you can like a lot of these programs, there's ways that you can actually upgrade as you start to earn some money from it. Now, the first thing to actually understand with Best Easy Work is that it's a very, very simple business to actually get involved in. Basically, it's very good if you're a newbie, even if you're not a newbie and you're used to obviously marketing online and you want to add something else to your portfolio, if you like, of ways of producing a residual income. Now, back to Best Easy Work. What is it? Well, first of all, it's a program that you can actually start if you wish to do so right away. You can actually, if you go down below this video, you'll see a link to my Best Easy Work page, which is a page that everybody is given. Everyone that joins Best Easy Work, but even as a free member, they get this. Um, they basically get their own website, which you can now market, and the website, it actually has all different levels of ways of actually earning money. Now, I want to be clear up front. Um, when you to actually earn from higher levels within the market plan, you need to actually um, upgrade to those different levels. So I believe it goes right the way up to about £8,000, which obviously, if you've got loads of money, and obviously you've grown a big network, it might be worth you doing this. But I would say that anyone that comes in, um, initially check out the link below and possibly join initially as a free member. Now, I've seen a lot of people online doing similar videos to this about Best Easy Work, and they're telling people to, if you like, to jump right in right away and to obviously upgrade. I'm not going to tell you to do that because I never done that. I basically started as a free member, and then basically as you start seeing some money from the program, then you can obviously look to obviously upgrade at a bit of a later date. Now, how you make money with Best Easy Work is actually by promoting the program itself. The actual program, it's a guy called, sorry, I can't remember his name. He's got quite a complicated name, but he shows you way in the back office of your free business how to actually promote this business. Um, even if you're looking to, even if you're in an existing business, which might be similar to Best Easy Work, one where you have to sponsor people, it's worth registering just to get the training because it will help you with your other businesses. Yeah, any business where you've got to build a team, any business where obviously you're benefiting from bringing people in and showing them how to do the business, I would recommend you um, looking at obviously the free training that this guy offers. Yeah, because it really is good. Yeah. He's got the other thing I like about it is, especially if you're bringing in people that are new, don't know anything about marketing, they don't know how to do the business. So what this business offers is, it's almost like a cut and paste, tells you what to do, where to place ads. It basically instructs you how to make money. So for me, I'm involved in other networks. Some of them, like where obviously I've got email lists and that, and I promote this program because it's another income. It's another income. But if you're new and you're just looking for a way to get started in the making money online space, then I don't think there's a much better program out there than Best Easy Work because it allows you to come in. You might be skeptical. You might be thinking, "Oh, this is a scam." I understand that. I was the same when I first looked into this business and other businesses. You obviously your mind, if you like, your brain is designed to protect you. So you think, "Oh, do you know what? What is this about?" So I understand that, but what I would say is that this program, it's a way that you can actually earn money for free. You haven't even got to upgrade. You can just come in, start following this guy's instruction, start um, start looking at where he's putting ads and free ads, yeah, free advertising methods. Start looking at the way he does free advertising. Start seeing what he does and copy him, yeah. All these businesses, I'm involved in a couple of other businesses, and they are all much the same. You're not just gonna join Best Easy Work or any other similar program and earn money unless you do the work. Yeah. But what I like about this program is that it is easy. It is very simple to, for example, what I do. Um, I did it the other day. I go on a quick ads, and I basically place free advertising the Best Easy Work business opportunity. Yeah, and I can tell by my data, people they go on there, they see the advertisement, they click on the link, they go through to the website, which is obviously linked down below, and some do and some don't. But the ones that register, who then join your team, they are in your team. They have then got the tools, if you like, to actually start their own business and to start promoting the Best Easy Work program, which will bring them in money if they do what they're told to do in the back office. Yeah, it's I'm involved in another network, and one of the guys he said to me, "Oh, I'm not getting," and I said to him, "Well, what are you doing? You need to, if you're not marketing a business, an opportunity, a product, if you're not showing people it, then why would anyone join?" Yeah. Um, I always say to people, this is a numbers game. The more people you show, the more people you expose to your opportunity, the more people will think, well, do you know what? I'm going to take a look at what this guy's talking about. Some click on the link, and some obviously decide to join. Yeah. You don't get to determine, you don't get to decide who joins your business. My upline in one of my other businesses said to me, you don't get to choose that. The only decision you get to choose is whether or not you show people your opportunity. They then have to make the decision as to whether or not they want to join. You don't try and persuade them. Yeah, just show them. Yeah, and that's what I like about this program. I do. If you see my other videos, you'll know I've done videos where I use drop cards, and when I'm out and about, I leave a drop card, and my drop cards go to my Best Easy Work business opportunity invitation website page. Yeah. So that's what I do. And anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. It's not difficult. Check out the link below. Read about obviously the way you can join. It's so simple to register. Straight away you get your own link, and then what I suggest you do is you start sharing your link. Yeah, if you're good on social media, talk to people on social media. If you're good on YouTube, I use YouTube sometimes, but I do paid advertising. I spent what did I spend? I spent £15 the other day on a paid advertising on a. It basically, well, I went to Quick Ads. I placed an advertisement in the Quick Ads business opportunity section, and my opportunity is worldwide. This business is worldwide. So someone who's in Canada could see my ad. They click on the link and they join and they start doing it. And you obviously earn through your network. Yeah, you obviously earn through your network. This is a great business. It's something that anyone can do. Um, literally, if you can paste and click and share a link, yeah, then this can work for you. If you've seen my other ads, I've done adverts on ways of promoting businesses on LinkedIn, where I talk to people on LinkedIn. I ask them if they're open to earning some more money, and if they are, I share my link. It's that simple. Yeah, it's that simple. I hope this has helped you. Please check out Best Easy Work. I'd love to have you in my team. And obviously find out more about it. Yeah, it may be for you, it may not be for you. What I would say to you is that if you're looking for a simple business and one where you can get started for free, totally for free, no bank details required, you can actually join this business and you can get going. You can get started. You'll get your link. You'll get your tuition. Yeah, it'll tell you what to do. Where to post your links, how to post your links. It really is a fool's guide to making money online. Yeah, so I don't mean that in a bad way. What I mean is anyone who's new to this, yeah, can actually earn money with this program if they do what is expected of you. And the good thing about it is you can actually do it in and around your main job. I actually do. If you see my other videos, I market for home improvements, and I earn fantastic money. But the money I earn is dependent on me being there. Yeah, this I can't build a residual income in my main job. Yeah, that way is not there. It's it's dependent on me going to shopping centres and working stands and physically being there. Yeah, so physically using my time, and my time's precious. I like my time, and so I'm trying to build ways and find ways of building a residual income, and this could be it for me. Yeah, I'm not earning loads from Best Easy Work. I don't want to make false promises. I'm not that person. But it is something which I'm building, and it is something which is working. Yeah, and if you choose to follow the instructions within the um, back office, you can start earning money at it. But you've got to do the work. Like I say, this is a free invitation to join this program. If you do, I'd love to have you on board. Yeah, that's it. The link's down below. You can register for free, and good luck. Whatever you decide, whatever business you decide to get involved with, I wish you every success. Thank you. Please subscribe.